Rushane Patterson expected to meet with police today. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV breaking news report, and when we return, we'll have the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV news report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV news report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Rushane Patterson, who has been named as a person of interest in the taking out of social media influencer Anika Sikiana Towson, is expected to make himself available to the police on Tuesday, according to a major investigative team. I am hearing that his lawyer reached out yesterday, Monday, saying that he was to be brought in today, Tuesday, the lawman told reporters. He said that he was unable to confirm media reports that Patterson had left the island on Saturday. "We don't have anything to substantiate that claim," he said when asked if Patterson was no longer in Jamaica. "There are checks being made," he said into that report. Towson was found face down in waters in Redding in Montego Bay, St. James, outside of Montego Bay on Friday last week. The police are currently following leads that she was last seen alive in the company of Patterson. Reports are that both individuals were seen at a popular restaurant in Hanover just a day before her body was discovered. The police have seized a motor car belonging to Patterson and have asked him to turn himself in over to the police for questioning, as they believe he may be able to help them in their investigation. He was given until 5 p.m. on Saturday, but he missed the deadline. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.